I'm Dr. Scample, and I'd like to thank you for taking the time to come to the website to see if Chiro massage is right for you.
Modern chiropractic has come a long way over the past 100 years. In fact, chiropractic research over the past decade has determined just how much a healthy joint moves and how much force it takes to move that joint. Now, this research, combined with technology, has allowed us to create computerized adjusting. Within the past couple of years, chiropractic has introduced the world to the IQ adjusting instrument. It's called the IQ because, well, it's smarter. The reason it's smarter is because it has a computer chip that measures motion built into the nose tip. So when I apply the instrument to a bone and pull the trigger, the instrument gently hits the bone. The bone then rebounds back to its original position. The IQ measures the amount of time for this to take place. It says, okay, that bone is moved. It's back to its original position. It's time to move that bone again. When it measures 3 consecutive equal motions, it beeps and shuts itself off. So the IQ tells the doctor when you've achieved maximum motion of that joint. Everyone's spine is different, so some of your bones move quickly and some move slowly. The IQ can measure how fast each bone in your spine moves and instantaneously match that speed. With the use of the IQ, the chiropractic adjustment is achieved quickly and very gently. In the past, some people have been reluctant to go to the chiropractor. Well, if you're one of those people, this is great news for you. The IQ can change its settings so it can adjust everyone of every age and every size, from babies to professional wrestlers, to gently unlock stiff joints. To see the IQ in action, I've included the YouTube address for you at the end of this video. Okay, we've adjusted the spine, and now it's time to treat the muscles. I usually start off with vibration therapy, and people love this. Massagers usually move in a circular motion, but this is not a massager, it's a percussor. That means it gently taps the muscles. It is a highly effective way of relaxing the muscles and helping the joints to move more freely. This is one of those techniques that creates a lot of patient complaints when I turn the machine off. Next, I might do some trigger point therapy. Trigger points are areas in the muscles that are painful to the touch. They make muscles tight and sore. Research done by 2 medical doctors, the Travels, have given us maps of these trigger points. So we now know where the trigger points are located, and we know the areas of refer pain that they cause. Trigger point therapy is usually an important part of recovering from pain. Frequently, I'll incorporate deep tissue massage. The focus of deep tissue is on the deepest layer of the muscle tissues, tendons, and fascia. In 2010, a study in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry found that massage modalities like deep tissue massage reduce stress hormone levels and heart rate while boosting mood and relaxation by triggering the release of oxytocin and serotonin. Cupping, or vacuum therapy, is performed by using glass, plastic, or silicone cups. Once the suction has occurred, the cups can be gently moved across the skin, and we often refer to this as gliding cupping. The suction in the cups causes the skin and superficial muscle layer to be lightly drawn into the cup. Cupping is much like the inverse of massage. Rather than applying pressure to the muscles toward the body, cupping uses gentle pressure to pull the muscles upward, away from the body. And for most patients, this is a particularly relaxing and relieving sensation. Cupping is also highly effective in relieving painful body parts. Cupping has also been found to affect the body up to 4 inches into the tissues, causing tissues to release toxins, activate the lymphatic system, clear colon blockages, activate the skin, and in general increase circulation. Cupping is so effective in pain relief, and it is so relaxing. Our patients are thrilled with this therapy and look forward to their next session. A recent advance in vacuum therapy is the use of machines to provide the suction to the cups. This allows us to treat you using intermittent suction. This form of vacuum therapy is used on seniors and on patients new to cupping because it is a very gentle approach. Vacuum therapy is highly effective in decreasing pain, and it is incredibly relaxing. So much so that some of our patients come to the office just for the cupping experience. It's a surprise to many that scar tissue is a very common cause of pain and stiffness. Scar tissue has a number of causes, such as trauma, typing, wearing high heels, performing sports, and just getting older. You see, scar tissue forms in our muscles naturally as we age. If you'd like more information on this topic, I've created a video for you that you'll find under the video tab. But for now, let's talk about what to do to get relief from this cause of pain and stiffness. Instruments have been used for thousands of years by the Chinese and others to treat fibrosis or scar tissue. The name for this treatment is gua sha. The way they do this is to rub instruments over the skin. Now, when we do this, normal tissue feels smooth and it has a healthy pink appearance. If there is scar tissue present, the skin will feel like sandpaper and red dots will appear. They look kind of like a rash. This is because scar tissue has poor circulation. The red dots and the sandpapery feel, well, those help us to locate the areas of scar tissue. A remarkable thing happens over several treatments. The healthy glow returns to the skin, and the sandpapery feel, it decreases. And best of all, the pain and stiffness decrease too. This is a time-tested treatment that works extremely well. Last year, I was invited to teach a variation of this treatment to the physical therapists and massage therapists from the Cirque du Soleil in Orlando. This type of treatment is now used in professional football, baseball, basketball, and the Olympics. As you can see, it is a very effective treatment. We also incorporate inversion therapy, exercise, and traditional chiropractic, where we adjust the spine by hand. But for this short video, I tried to concentrate on those aspects of treatment that may not be familiar to everyone. I'm also a functional medicine practitioner, and using this approach, we often treat adrenal fatigue along with the treatments you've just seen when patients have chronic pain. This is because adrenal fatigue can cause inflammation, and that can be a major component of your pain. If you're in the South Florida area, I encourage you to call for a consultation with me by phone before your first treatment. The consultation is free, so call now for an appointment. We look forward to the opportunity to help you feel better again.